We missed it. Lincoln was out watering the plants. He grabbed a water jug from the garbage can. And he was watering the plants.
It's like an old gross milk jug.
I'm sweating. Let me back up. Got my hair done today. Oh, hi.
Looks good.
It looks amazing.
It looks full.
It looks so good. And guys, I have breaking news on my hair. This is for you to know too. I was telling her, I said, because it's been like several months since she's done my hair, and I said, can you see how much more thin it is up here? And she was like, you know, she's like, it does feel thin. She goes, but you have so much baby hair growing in. I was like, no, I don't. And she's like, no, you do. And she took a comb and combed it down and blew it dry. And she was like, you've got this long of baby hair, an inch into your hairline, which means that the thinning should hopefully like come out of it. And she's like, you must be under a lot of stress. I was like, honey, nobody knows. I was like, you have no idea. So I was like, okay, good. That's like great news. She did a wonderful job on the hair color, which is, it's everything that I like wanted. I wanted the roots darker, but not too dark. The mid shaft with a lighter color so that you don't get a dark banding, and then a very subtle like end.
I love the ends.
Yeah,
Love it.
I love it a lot. Anyway, I'm sweating because Joel just came home and he's sitting here updating me on the house. So we were supposed to get an inspection on the electrical, and then right after that we were gonna get sheetrock and like all this other stuff.
It's called a four-way. We're supposed to be ready for that. Framing, electrical, plumbing. No, we're like 3 weeks out now because
the old timer that worked in the city didn't submit our paperwork. He no longer works for the city. That just tells you something. And so we're 3 weeks until we're allowed to do anything.
Well, on the inside. Luckily, we have a ton of stuff to do on the outside.
So this is what I was thinking as you were talking to me. While we're waiting to work on the inside, let's get the outside all the way buttoned up, because this is where like vlogging and Instagram comes in difficult, when you're actually like working on like a real project. And I say real because it's out of our timeline. I want to have the house on the market for sale when the yard is still green, or at least take pictures of the outside while the yard is still green, because that's what it looks the best in. Let's get the outside all the way done, get our outside pictures, and then even if we're into the winter, who cares? I at least have the picture of the finished outside with green grass.
The lawn got mowed today.
Did you do it?
No, my buddy stopped by.
Who?
Jay. I called him and he was like, yeah, I can make that happen.
Oh, so you paid him to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, you made it sound like, oh, a friend just did it for free. No, he made time in his company for us to pay him to go do it, which is great.
But his 2 riding lawnmowers did it in 30 minutes.
No.
It takes, even on a riding lawnmower, it takes me 4.5 hours. With my push
Wait,
mower.
are you joking?
No. It takes,
So let's just, isn't there this like equation that it's like, okay, your time versus like what he spent, like he will always do it from here on out.
Time value.
Opportunity, like time cost, opportunity.
Cost.
Yeah, opportunity cost. I knew it. Okay. Yeah. Opportunity cost is greater. Let's continue to have
it. I ever lived
it.
in college, and that's it.
We're gonna like bust our humps on the outside now, right?
Yeah.
And honestly, do you want to know, that makes me feel a little relieved, because it's like, okay, well, we can go into the fall and winter and work on the inside. We can't do it on the outside. We were working from the inside out. That, like, this is fine. Let's like get the outside done. Can we do that?
I think we can have the outside almost all the way done in a week and a half.
Nice. Moving on to something a little more fun. Fun talk than business is, and troubles with the house. We are making tacos. Kind of, I don't know. So I got the Boston lettuce because I like how big the leaves are. This one is a kind of a small one because it's like towards the inside, but I just like that you can have a little scoop of, that's your shell. And we're going to use, what is this? Halibut. So we just got a white fish from the store. I thought it would be fine to cook it in the house, but Joel's like, no. The last time we cooked fish in the house, it smelled like it for like a solid month. That was before we remodeled or anything. I feel like I'm missing something though, so we're going to put fish, cilantro, salsa. This is like a mango salsa, but it's like freshly made, and lemon juice, and avocado. I should have bought coleslaw, like a, what is it called? Cabbage? I should have bought some cabbage so that we could have used that on it, but this will be fine, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's like solid. That's old. I feel like these are really lame tacos. What am I missing? What else would go on that? Really cabbage. I should have just gotten some cabbage. Tonight's dinner is gonna be very, very basic. Very, very basic. Oh my gosh. It doesn't smell like, why is it white? This is brand new.
White fish.
Well, no, it's white, but it has like ew, why does it look like that? Look. Oh my gosh. That is so bad. Oh my gosh. Literally get that out as fast as you can. That was like brown and white and holy. We heated the grill. Okay, I can do tuna fish. I've got tuna fish downstairs. Unless we want to like go to the store and buy some more fish. I am not having this. Like I am not wasting everything else that goes with it. What should we do? All right, we got cabbage. We got cabbage to go in our tacos. How did you like my new cutting board?
Oh, I got it.
How cute is that? The color, are you kidding me? So I bought this as in like a package on Amazon. It comes with this green one and then comes with this white one, gray one, and then a dark gray one. I think they are so flippin' dang cute. And they were pretty cheap. I'll put them in the description for you guys if you're interested. Something I've learned with intermittent fasting is that your stomach, there's something, guys, I don't know anything. I just like hear, I'm just a sheep and I do what I'm told, okay? Something about the acids in your stomach and, well, apparently my kids want some.
It's actually really good. It's not like super tangy, to me at least.
It's good to eat or drink a little bit of apple cider vinegar a half hour before you eat. It just helps your body digest the food. Sometimes I forget and take it before I go to bed.
It's actually, it keeps your body also from not getting sick. That's what we said. It helps your body not be sick.
Then we will be able to get a good night's rest. Please bless that we will all listen to Mom and that we will respect her. And we say these things in the name of our Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. So respect me, but not Dad.
I made dinner.
Cody, how many times did you just make a little noise during the prayer? Yes, and you're going to eat it. Okay, good night, everybody.